We have this table employee data, and if you open employee data here, you can see these are the columns here. We have this EMP name with varchar 255. Let's say I want to increase the size of this column from 255 to, let's say, 500. To do this, we need to use alter table query. So let's write alter table. Then we need to specify the table name, that is employee data. And then we need to say alter. We are changing the size of a column, so we need to say alter column. And which column I want to modify? I want to modify employee name. So let's put it here. And now let's specify the size. I want to specify the size here. So this is a varchar from 255. Now it should be 500. Let's execute this. Command has been completed. Now if you refresh this table and open the columns here, you can see now the size has been changed to 500. So this is how you can change the size of a column in SQL Server. Now let's see how we can change data type of a column. For that, let's take example of salary column. Currently it is of integer type. Let's see how we can change this salary from integer to a big integer. To do that, again we need to use alter table, and we need to say the table name. And here I want to alter the column. Which column I want to alter? I want to alter the salary column, right? So let's put it here, and from integer I want to change it to big integer, right? Let's execute this and refresh the columns again. You can see now the salary column has been updated to big integer data type, right? So this is how you can change data type of a column. And guys, make sure this will be applicable only for the applicable columns. Let's say this table is having employee name here, right? And you won't be able to change the employee name to the integer data type because the data types are not compatible. If you try to do that, you will get the warning. Let's say I want to change employee name here. Let's say I want to change it to integer. Let's see what will happen when I execute this. When you execute this, you will get this error because the SQL Server won't be able to convert this name to type integer, and we'll get this conversion failed error. That's it for this video. In this video, we have understood how we can change the length of a column or how we can modify the data type of a column in SQL Server.